Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. This is the first video in a series of Christmas videos that I am going to do for you. You guys know how I struggle with art, and when I did these designs I was so pumped that I decided to share with you how I created these two Christmas looks. If I can do this, guys, you can do this too. So from me to you, Merry Christmas, and let's get creating. Okay, to start, I have built out Elsa's nails with structure gel from Vision Gel, finished, filed, cleansed, did everything I need to do before we start putting wonderful Christmas designs and colors on these nails. The first color I chose is number 006, which is this gorgeous deep Christmas red. For the middle finger, I am going to use black, which is number 3. Now I'm just going to put a second coat on all these nails and cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to take number 266, which is this gorgeous red glitter, and put it over the ring finger. Now I'm taking the white flex gel, which is number 3, and placing it on the thumbnail to create kind of a snow look. Now I'm wiping the dispersion layer off. I find it's easier to do hand painting on a surface without the tacky layer on. Now I'm going to put a dab of each color on the ceramic tile. This makes it easier to grab the colors as I'm hand painting, and I selected my colors ahead of time. Hand painting. Hand painting and Carrie in the same sentence. Who'd have thunk it, you guys? The brush I'm using is the block brush from Selena Ryden's brush set, and I'm just loading my brush up with 3 colors, so the 2 different greens and the white, and just creating branches. And with a fine detailer brush, I am just painting on the trunk of the tree. And with a little bit more white paint with green added in to the white, I am just outlining the top of the tree to give it more of that snow-covered look. because I'm going to be sugaring, I want to seal in the work that I've already done. So I'm wiping off any dispersion layer left, and I'm going to apply Vision Gel's Velvet Matte Top Coat. This is an amazing matte top coat. You do not need to wipe a dispersion layer off after, and you can watch it go matte right in the light. It is so cool. Look at that. Look how matte that is. And rubbing it, it is like silk. And this matte top coat stays matte. So with the white gel polish, I'm going to create a little snowbank or some snow. And I'm not going to cure this because I'm going to put some very fine loose glitter to sugar with. So this is the fine sugaring glitter I chose, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the wet gel polish. I'm going to make sure that everything is covered, kind of tap off the excess, and then I'm going to cure for about 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm going to take my fan brush, this is my favorite, it's very inexpensive, and brush off the excess glitter. This is my favorite part of sugaring. And you're done! So for this finger, I'm just going to let you guys sit back and watch me paint and enjoy the music. I decided I didn't like that look, so I'm going to fill in the rest of this and then put some more sugaring glitter on and cure for about 30 to 60 seconds. Brush off the excess glitter and we'll move on to the reindeer. So just to let you know, every time I go to use a different color, I am going to flash cure first and then go on to a different color and do a full cure at the very end. Now that everything is cured for a full 30 seconds, I'm going to put the Super Shine No Wipe top coat on and shine these babies up. There you go, you guys, my very first Christmas tutorial for you. I hope you enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun to do. I will link in the description box all the products I use for this tutorial. It was all Vision Gel products aside from the loose glitters. This is not a perfect design, but it sure was fun to do, and I have to say I'm pretty proud of the fact that I was able to create this design. You guys know how much I struggle with art, especially hand painting, but like I said at the beginning of this video, if I can do this, you guys can do this. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!